Okay, now the third part of genetics, sex-linked inheritance. See, characters are transferred from parents to offsprings through genes present on their chromosomes. But when characters are transmitted from parents to offsprings through genes present on sex chromosome, that is either X chromosome or Y chromosome, then it is called sex-linked inheritance. Okay, so characters transmitted by genes present on X or Y chromosome, that is sex linked inheritance. If it is through X chromosome, then we say X linked inheritance. There are two conditions you should know. One is hemophilia. Hemophilia is a clotting disorder, okay, in which what happens, it's also called bleeder's disease. What happens if there is a cut on our skin, on the blood vessel, after some time the blood clots and the blood loss is prevented. But this is a genetic disease. Okay, it's a genetic disease in which the blood does not clot, so the blood keeps on, we keep on losing blood. So this is hemophilia. It's called bleeder's disease. It's called Royal's disease also because it happened in the royal family in England. Okay. The other is color blindness. It's a X-linked disorder, occurs only on X chromosome. Both these conditions only on X chromosome. And color blindness is inability to differentiate between colors, okay, blue, green and red. Okay, so that is color blindness. So hemophilia and color blindness, so X-linked and Y-linked disorders. What are Y-linked, uh, what are Y-linked conditions? Only seen in males, children, only seen in males. Y-linked condition only seen in males because Y chromosome only seen in male, never seen in females. Only one is hypertrichosis, lot of hair on the ears. So that's hypertrichosis. Second is male pattern baldness, typical that center may baldness, side may baldness. So that is only seen in males. Okay. Now, Y-linked only seen in male, X-linked more seen in males. Now you might wonder why X-linked should be seen more in females. No, children. X-linked more seen in males because children, both hemophilia and color blindness caused due to a recessive gene. Remember, children, always write in your answer recessive gene present on the X chromosome. Okay, so if the X chromosome has that gene, I'm showing like a degree ka, so you can write C also if you want to. Okay, if the X chromosome has the gene, then he becomes colorblind in a male. Okay, if the X, there is only one X chromosome. In a female, what happens? See, okay, if the other X chromosome is normal, she will have that gene, but she will not be colorblind or she will not be hemophilic. So she will be called a carrier because she can pass it to her son. Female can only become colorblind or hemophilic if both the X chromosomes will have that gene. Therefore, which is very rare. So male will become more easily colorblind because one X chromosome has a gene, so he becomes colorblind. So remember, children. Okay, so colorblindness and both hemophilia, colorblindness, hemophilia, both common more in males than in females. Now we'll do two crosses to explain you how the crosses are done. Normal mother crossed with a colorblind father. Normal mother we represent it as X, X, colorblind father X, Y. X, this degree ka sign and Y. Okay, this is the recessive gene for colorblindness. So XX, X gene containing and then Y. X You got this? So XX degree, XX degree, XY, XY. So this is carrier daughter, this is carrier daughter, this is normal son, normal son. So two carrier daughters, two normal son. You got that? This is the first. Now, carrier mother, normal father. Carrier mother, X chromosome containing the gene, normal X chromosome, X chromosome, normal X chromosome and normal Y chromosome. Carrier mother, normal father. So X chromosome containing the gene and X normal X and normal X chromosome containing the gene and Y, normal X and normal Y. So X chromosome containing the gene and X will become carrier daughter, X chromosome containing the gene and Y, colorblind son, X chromosome, normal X chromosome, normal X chromosome, normal daughter, and this is normal son. Okay, so this ratio 1:1:1:1. Now what do you mean by crisscross inheritance? Crisscross inheritance. The defective gene, crisscross, look at this, crisscross. It is applicable only in X-linked inheritance. Remember, this recessive defective gene can go from the mother, carrier mother to her son. Okay, carrier mother to her son, so mother to son. And suppose in this case the father was normal, but suppose his father was color blind, for sure we would have had this would have not been carrier, she would have been color blind. Okay, so in X-linked inheritance, a defective gene or the recessive gene goes from the carrier mother to her son, and from the colorblind father to his daughter. So mother to son. Okay, mother to son, father to daughter. So crisscross. This is called crisscross inheritance. Children, please go through the crosses properly. Please, without fail, learn by heart the laws. Laws are very, very important. So all the three laws: law of segregation, law of dominance, law of segregation, and law of independent assortment, you should know bit pat by heart. Okay, and do these crosses properly. All crosses you should do properly. How to make the Punnett square, go through the textbook. Please read the textbook thoroughly, do the definitions properly, do the laws properly, and do the book back questions. Thank you. I hope you understood genetics.